Hello! I just wanted to give you an update on what's been going on in the workshop this week. I have been busy recording episode 13 on the manual gearbox conversion on the XJC. But unfortunately, even though I've done all the recording, I haven't had time to do the editing. So that episode will be next week now, I'm afraid. We are getting so close now. And this episode is the last sort of bits of mechanical installation work that we had to do before getting on to the interior and finishing that off. Yeah, and you know, I'm just looking forward to showing you all that first startup and hearing that exhaust note, and of course driving the car down the road for the first time with a manual gearbox. Anyway, I just wanted to also say, you know, thank you all for your support, for the comments. They've all been absolutely fantastic. So please do tune in next week, and I will see you then.